गुलबर्गा शहर के हलीमा इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल नूरबाग में साइंस एग्जीबिशन का इनकाद अमल में आया, जिसमें बच्चों ने अपनी तहकीकात के जरिए मुतासिर किया। इस मौके पर मेहमानान खुसूसी के हैसियत से हलीमा इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल के फाउंडर सदर जनाब अंजुम जावेद, अकबर शाहपुरी रिटायर्ड अकाउंट ऑफिसर और गुलाम रसूल कृष्णा ग्रामीण बैंक रिटायर्ड मैनेजर और मोहम्मद इरफान और मोहम्मद नासिर साहब ने अपना काफी वक्त देते हुए यहाँ पर तैयार किए गए साइंस एग्जीबिशन मॉडल का खुद इन्होंने मुजाहरा करते हुए स्कूल के बच्चों से मुलाकात की। इस मौके पर हलीमा इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल के फाउंडर सदर जनाब अंजुम जावेद साहब ने बताते हुए कहा, दौरे जदीद की टेक्नोलॉजी को समझना और इसे इस्तेमाल करना तरक्की याफ्ता समाज की निशानी समझा जाता है। साइंस के टेक्नोलॉजी के इस दौर में बच्चों को तरक्की पर लाने के लिए और इनके अंदर कुछ कर दिखाने का जज्बा पैदा करने के लिए इस तरह के प्रोग्राम करना बहुत जरूरी है। इसलिए हलीमा इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल में बच्चों को तरक्की पर लाने के लिए और उनके अंदर कुछ कर दिखाने का जज्बा पैदा करने के लिए हर साल इस तरह के प्रोग्राम का इनकाद किया जाता है। आज यहाँ पर बच्चों के जरिए तैयार किए गए मॉडल और इनके प्रोजेक्ट के मुतल्लिक़ बच्चों के जुबानी बयानात को सुनकर खुशी का इजहार किया गया। इस मौके पर एग्जीबिशन में हिस्सा लेने वाले तलबा को सर्टिफिकेट से नवाजा गया। इस मौके पर स्कूल के टीचर्स और स्टाफ और स्कूल के तलबा और वालिदैन ने कसीर तादाद में शिरकत की। ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट, आपकी आवाज़।
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Abdul Samad. I am studying in third standard. My model name is volcano. A volcano is a natural phenomenon in which fire lava comes out from underground the surface. This lava cools down and turns into clear stone. Thank you everyone.
Good morning, myself Umar Farooq, 4th standard, Halima English Medium School. Chandrayaan 3 is the third lunar mission of the India Space Research Organization. It was launching on 14 July 2023. Chandrayaan 3 is a significant milestone for the India space program. It will make the fourth country to land a rover on the moon after the United States. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sadia studying LKG. School name Halima English Medium School. Places of water: rainbow, mountain, trees, stars, house.
Sober and nice, and Amjad Bhai's effort is very successful, and all students are also nice. I feel very happy to see this school. Qabile Tareef.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. At the outside, I want to congratulate Chief Trust and Trustee. As soon as I kept my leg in the Halima school, I taught myself it is a wonderlaw of Halima school. When I came to know that there are many students involved thoughtfully, they are very enthusiastic, and this school is full of, I observed that the school is full of scientists. I hope and pray one or the day, 1 or 2 students will become scientists at the national level.
सर, काफ़ी सारे आप यहाँ पर मोमेंट्स देखे हैं बच्चों के, क्या लग रहा है? छोटे छोटे बच्चों ने अलग अलग मॉडल्स बनाए हैं, क्या कहेंगे?
It is very much appreciable, and students are very much involved. Their talent is very much required, and I hope they will become more and more interested, and they will show this school will be one of the best school in Gulbarga.
First of all, I thank both the friends. They are my childhood friends and they are my classmates, and they are very close to me. They are intimate friends of me, and fortunately they have spent the time to observe and watch the entire science exhibition and other curricular activities of our school. So really it is a grand gala and grand festival of our Halima English Medium School. So we have gathered here all the students particularly, and teachers, and all the related persons have taken much effort. Not only much effort, they have taken the great endeavor to make this event, science exhibition, successful. So I congratulate to all the parents, all the teachers and all the students who have participated in this grand science exhibition and make this event a very historical event. मैं मेरे दोनों साथियों का बड़ा मशहूर हूँ और तहे दिल से उनका शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि उनकी मौजूदगी से ये आज का साइंस इवेंट बड़ा तारीख साज और बहुत अच्छा बना। और हम चाहते हैं कि हमारी कौम के बच्चे ज़िंदगी के तमाम उलूम में तरक्की करते रहें और ख़ुसूसन साइंस की उलूम में आसमान को छूने की कोशिश करें। और यही हमारी आइडेंटिटी है, यही हमारी शनाख्त है और यही हमारा उरूज है। इसी से हमारी कौम सुरखरू होगी और हम कामयाब होंगे। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. First of all, I would like to thank the students who have shown so much interest in participating in the science exhibition, and I am really feeling very happy and glad that I am here. Before I live in Saudi Arabia, but still I got this opportunity to attend this science exhibition, and it is very nice to see such small students, LKG, UKG, they are showing so much interest in preparing this model, and with their efforts we can go to the higher levels of our school. And I would like to thank the parents also for showing such efforts and preparing these models for solar system and all the water cycle and including all the science exhibition models. It is really very wonderful to watch all the students showing so much enthusiasm and with so much interest. It is really nice. And secondly, I would like to thank all the teachers of our school who has helped all the students to prepare this and prepare so thoroughly that we have seen the students with so much confidence and with so much interest. They are showing with all the models with them, and within very less time they have prepared all this. I have been observing them, and it is very nice to see. Lastly, I would like to thank our trustees and our trustee Muhammad Nasir Hussain and my father, Chief Trustee Muhammad Anjul Hussain. Thank you all.
And successful for the science exhibition that we have met 2024. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Good evening. Here I have attained the science exhibition in Halima English Medium School. It is very nice event that all the students have prepared many kinds of projects, different kinds of projects. I am impressed very much with this event because from LKG to 10th standard they have prepared very well and very in such a nice manner that I have seen these projects and it's very good. I congratulations to all the students. They have prepared this space room that is very nice. They have created very different kinds of activities in this spacecraft room. I congratulate to Anjul sir, president of this school, Irfan sir, Nasir sir, all the staff members who have given this opportunity to say me few words on this auspicious day. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Namira Fatima Bahban and I am a student of 9th standard. So this is my topic is human body. Welcome to our human body. So this is our skin which covers the entire external surface of our body. This is our nervous system. This is our muscular system and this is our organ systems. This is the lungs. This is our respiratory system, liver, stomach, large intestine and the small intestine. This is our heart. This is our kidney. And last but not least, this is our brain. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Madiha, student of 10th standard. My topic is Aristotle. Aristotle was born in 384th century in Satyagiri in ancient Greece. He was a famous scientist. He made many important contributions like metaphysics, politics and science and also mathematics. The Lyceum, an influential school in Athens where he taught and conducted the researchers. Classification, developed system for classification for various fields. Metaphysics, coined the term metaphysics to explore the existence of nature, explanations and reality. Aristotle's ideas have impacted many philosophers, Western traditions, culture, etc. He died at the age of 62 years in 322nd century. Thank you. Have a nice day. I thanks to Sufia ma'am and Farin ma'am for that she have made this for both of us. Thank you and have a nice day.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Aramkos. I am studying in 4th standard. My topic is state of matter. Matter exists in three states depending on the arrangement of particles in substance, solid. Solid have a defined shape and volume. Defined shape and volume. Example: solid include some silver, plastic, and ice. Solid water. Liquid have a defined volume. They are take shape in the container in which they are kept. Example of liquid include water, milk, and oil. Gases have neither a defined volume nor a defined shape. Example of gases are air, oxygen, hydrogen, helium, etc. Over. Thank you. Assalamualaikum. My name is Sifat and I am studying in 4th class. My topic is types of microbes. Microbes organism. Microbes organism, a living thing that is so small it must view with a microscope. Virus. A virus is a infection. Microbes consists of a segment of nucleic acids. Protozoa are one called animals found worldwide in most habit. Fungi is any member of the group of nucleus organism that nucleates. Last is bacteria. Bacteria are small single celled organism. Thank you. An omnivorous is an animal that eats other animals. Today I have to say sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. First one is eye, second one is ear, third one is nose, fourth one is tongue, fifth one is skin. Eyes help us to see, ear help us to hearing, nose help us to smell, tongue help us to taste, skin help us to feel. Good morning everyone. My name is Mohammad Dishan. I am studying UKG. My project is solar system. My name is Sufyan Sheikh. I am studying UKG. My mother is the aeroplane. My name is Abdul Wahid. Project name is Air Pollution Factory in the animals. Good morning everyone. My name is Sunnataha. My top name is solar system. My name is Mohammad Uzair. I am studying UKG. Project is the flower. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Soda Mainul Abbas. I am studying UKG. My name is model is the mango tree grass block. My name is Bibi Aisha. I am read to trees. First one, the most important part of the nature. Second one, we get flowers, fruit and vegetables from trees. My name is Anam Fatima.
Terminal architect was Mir Momin Qasim Astarwadi and it was founded by Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah and its height is 56 meter 184 feet and it builds with material of limestone, granite and marble. The 5th ruler of the Qutub Shahi dynasty Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah. Thank you.
Myself Daul Malik and I am studying in 5th standard. My model is on Sir C.V. Raman, full form of C.V. Raman, Chandrasekhar Venkatar Raman.
My name is Bisradha. I am studying in 7th standard. This is an agriculture farming model.
Good morning everyone. My name is Mohammad Jan. I am studying in 4th standard. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. Venus is the closest planet to the Earth. Earth is the 3rd planet in our solar system. Mars is the 4th planet in our solar system. Jupiter is the 5th planet in our solar system. Saturn is the 6th planet in our solar system. Uranus is the 7th planet in our solar system. Neptune is the 8th planet in our solar system. Thank you.